Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the ultimate summer dessert, and the best part, no oven needed. Get ready for a creamy, dreamy, no-bake mango delight that's super easy to whip up. First, let's make our base. Just crush up some digestive biscuits and mix them with melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your dish. Easy, right? Next, for the creamy filling, we'll blend together some cream cheese, whipping cream, a little sugar, and of course, the star of our show, juicy sweet mango puree. Pour this luscious mixture right over your biscuit base and smooth it out. Now, pop it in the fridge to set for a few hours. Once it's firm, you can top it with fresh mango cubes for that extra burst of tropical flavor. Look at that! A gorgeous, refreshing dessert perfect for any occasion. Give this a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.